In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to ZipBooks. Settings menu. Connecting Stripe to ZipBooks lets you accept online payments seamlessly, and the setup takes just a few minutes from your settings. Start by signing in to your ZipBooks account. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the account option. Depending on your layout, you might see a profile icon instead. Click that to open your account settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the labels, and make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage payments. Once you're in account settings, navigate to the Payments tab. You'll usually find it near the top right of the screen within your account management area. This is where ZipBooks centralizes your payment configurations, so if you manage multiple companies or workspaces, double check that you're in the correct one before you continue. Next, click the Connect Stripe button. ZipBooks will securely redirect you to Stripe. This is expected, and it ensures you complete the authorization directly with Stripe. If a new tab opens, keep both tabs available. You'll be sent back to ZipBooks automatically when you're done. As a best practice, confirm you're on Stripe's official site and that your browser shows a secure connection. On the Stripe page, log in with your existing Stripe credentials. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Stripe may ask for business details to verify your account if it's new. If you already manage multiple Stripe accounts, make sure the correct account is selected before proceeding so payments flow to the right place. After signing in, follow the on-screen instructions to authorize ZipBooks to access your Stripe data. You'll see a summary of the permissions being requested. Approve the connection to allow ZipBooks to process payments and sync relevant information. If Stripe prompts for two-factor authentication, complete that step to confirm it's really you. When authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to ZipBooks. Look for a confirmation message or a connected status indicating that Stripe is now linked. If you don't see confirmation, refresh the page or revisit the Payments tab to verify the connection. If a pop-up blocker interrupted the redirect, allow pop-ups for this session and try again. That's it, you've connected Stripe to ZipBooks from the Settings menu. From here, you're ready to accept payments through your invoices in ZipBooks using Stripe. If something doesn't look right, ensure you're in the correct ZipBooks company, confirm you use the intended Stripe account, and repeat the authorization if needed.